little walking video from the karaoke bar and walk down one side and come back the other. So this is the bus station for Puerto Galera. Puerto Galera. As you can see way back in the back, that big building in the back, I don't know if you can read that from here, but it's Puerto Galera Hospital. So there's a very big hospital back here. So it's only about, I would say 5 to 7 minutes from Sabang. So pretty close. Pretty good, big size hospital. They've got fire trucks, ambulance, all that here. You see the fire trucks back there, the red ones. But this is the kind of like the GT and bus terminal for Puerto Galera. Down that way, maybe half a mile or half kilometer is the main part of town. So we're gonna walk down this way. It's a building that got knocked down. Sorry store. Not little, kind of big. These are the handmade Jeep vehicles in the Philippines. They're made right here. They kind of look like a base of a Jeep Wrangler, but you can get them all customized. These are all handmade cars here. This one right here. Sorry store. Little stores everywhere. There's a little bank down here. Card bank. That looks like it's closed right now. It was open earlier. They have an ATM. It's one of the other ATMs in Puerto Galera. This is a new supermarket that's opening. Big one. Sure, I think, let's see, I think there's a new pizza place. We'll walk down there and take a look. Well, you don't want to walk by here at night. There's no ledge or nothing. It gets dark, you just fall right in there. That'd be a little dangerous. Not sure what this place is. warranty dealer. Yep. Neat little beachfront house. Little hidden gem backing up against the water. Oh, it's a resort. I'll have to come back and do a video on that. Across the street real quick. We're gonna walk down the other side. There's this Nirvana resort. I'll have to come back and do a video on that. I just stumbled on that one just right now. I never noticed it before. It kind of looks like there's a restaurant back there, and looks pretty nice and newer. Definitely have to come back and do a video on that one. Let's head back this way. So right here on the right side of the road is that's the ocean. The water is a giant cove. There's lots of coves all over the area. I don't know if you can see out past those trees, the houses way up in the hills. Lots of houses with views. Houses here or apartments range anywhere from 6,000 pesos a month for, you know, basically no hot water and no aircon, all the way up to a 2 or 3 bedroom for 30,000 pesos with a view and a swimming pool. Possibly a swimming pool. Not many pools. If you want a pool, you gotta build it and add it yourself. You gotta be sure you're gonna rent there for a long time to make sure it's worthwhile. We'll see when this place is supposed to be opening soon. When they open?
Next month.
Next month? Big in there, huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, there's gonna be a huge market in there. Looks like maybe, wow, it's really big. Probably 200 stalls. It'll be a giant air-conditioned indoor market. Another little Filipino restaurant, the Lomi House. Don't look like they're open though. Another sorry store. I'll make my way back down to Cheers bar. Another motorcycle shop. New motorcycles. Little the fruit market, small fruit market, fruit and vegetable market. Going to fish market. Oh, what's that one? That one's pretty. So yeah, when I first got here, 4 or 5 months ago now, wasn't anywhere near the amount of people and activity and traffic. And you notice no more masks. I mean, there's houses, apartments, and then